Welcome to Freshers Now. Today's video is about Google Recruitment 2021. If you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Freshers Now website, which will give you the information plus the links to directly apply. All of this at same place. And if you want regular job updates, you can join our Telegram channel, which is Freshers Now. The link is provided in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Google has opened its vacancy for Technical Solutions Engineer, a university grad of 2022, and the minimum qualifications required is a bachelor's degree in science, technology, engineering, mathematics or its equivalent practical experience, and experience with reading, debugging code, one or more of the following in Java, C, C++, .NET, Python, etc. The experience in developing web applications, scripting and programming languages like Python, Java, etc. And the preference for the qualifications are given to those who have basic cloud foundations, which includes networking, logging, monitoring, security, and experience in databases, big data information, and understanding of Linux or Windows systems and their proceedings with the system libraries, file systems, client-server protocols, and system administrative tasks. Ability to quickly prioritize multiple tasks, and also excellent attention to detail in a fast-paced setting. Should be also be able to demonstrate troubleshooting, follow up through problem solving skills, and also along with that you should be having a resourceful and effective communication skills. Now, what is the job about? The description is given here. And the first section is about the Google Cloud team, which is helps companies, schools and governments to switch on Google products, and it helps the customer to swiftly work along with their problems with effective solutions on all of that. The Technical Solutions Engineer, what this person does. As a Technical Solutions Engineer, you have to work to solve the production issues on customer business critical applications. You will be a part of the global team providing 24/7 support to help for the customers and make switch to the Google Cloud. When customers cannot resolve the issues, your job or your particular responsibility is to assure that you have necessary tools and also processes to resolve all of the issues swiftly and give the customer their satisfaction with your effort as possible. You will also troubleshoot technical problems for customers with a mix of debugging, networking, system administrator, and updating documentation, coding, and scripting. You'll also use your experience to root the problem and improve the supportability by working with team of engineers which are going to be, and you should make the products easier to use for the clients or the users, and you will help the drive to success of the Google Cloud by also understanding and as well as advocating the customers' issues. And next is Google Cloud, which provides organizations the infrastructure and the platform capabilities and industry solutions. You have to be enterprise grade wise, and also you should be able to understand from the customers, the client's point of view, and resolve their issues. So as the customers are from more than 150 countries, you should be able to understand their point of view and also resolve the issue very swiftly. The responsibilities are as follows. So you have to manage customer challenges, giving them effective diagnosis, resolution and implementation with investigation of tools, increase the productivity for consumer issues on the Google platform, develop an in-depth understanding of the Google's product technology, and act as a consultant and subject matter for the internal stakeholders in engineering sales, understand the customer challenges and advocate their needs, cross-functional teams, and also you have to be indeed working for the work hours, which also includes in weekends, holidays, and also shift-based schedule. So if you're open to all of this, head over to apply. So if you're willing to apply, you can just click on this, apply. Then it will be redirecting you to this page where they will be asking you to give your resume, give your contact details, your address, country, zip code, and then your email, then your primary phone, and then if you have another phone, if you have a website, and then what is the education that you have done, the education details, and the work experience if you have work experience. And then you have to give a cover letter or other notes. This is optional, so if you have a cover letter you can just put it here, and then you have to click on next. Now if you miss any of this, okay, the incomplete applications will not be proceeded, so make sure you're filling each of the column properly. If you have any other queries, do place them in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.